In this demo, I'm going to show you how to use Onshape to make the basic block. First, we're going to need to go over to Create, and under the Create tab, we're going to find Documents. This is where we're going to draw our new part. We're going to need to title it. I'd like you to use your last name, followed by your first name, and then a description of the block, like the block name. Once you get everything in there the way you want, we're going to go over and we're going to select OK. This is the window you'll see every time you start a new part. It will have a front plane, it will have a top plane, and it will have a right side plane, just like the views we talked about in class. So we're going to start a new sketch by going to Sketch, and we're going to click on the front plane, because we're going to draw the front view of our basic block first. If I go over to the cube and hit front, it will put the front view so it looks flat to me. I'm going to go grab my rectangle tool, and I'm going to click on the dot in the center. And then I'm going to stretch my rectangle up and to the right. I'm going to click my mouse button again and drop it. At this point, I'm going to go up and grab my dimension tool, because I need to dimension my rectangle. So I'm bringing my dimension tool down. I'm going to click on the top line and drag up. Hit the mouse button, and I'm just going to type in 5 and hit enter. That'll give me the 5-inch dimension along the top. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side to put the height in. I'm using my scroll bar, or my scroll wheel, to zoom out there. I'm going to hit the 2-inch, bring it out, hit 2, enter, and drop that into position. At this point, my front view is properly dimensioned, so I'm going to hit Finish Sketch, which is the little check. I'm going to go over just below the cube. There's another cube, and I'm going to go to Isometric. So I just clicked on that. Isometric, that would be a left mouse click, and I'm going to hit the Extrude button. I'm now going to select the shape with the mouse by clicking on it. I'm going to go in now, and I'm going to set the depth to 3 inches. That's how far we want to go back. And I'm going to hit the back arrow. So I change the direction by tapping that arrow, finish it by hitting the check, and the basic block shape is done. Onshape will automatically save this file for you, and you can sign on any computer to your login for Onshape and see your files. They'll all be there. That's what's nice about working in the cloud.